of morning time, say there's a population and all people then for that side for Makepe Misoke then come up block road for Sika Palabala train. So the divisional officer don't go tell them, say there's a man no get right for block road country. People tell una too about this campaign where it's also continue for strikes to take carnage now. And they say Janam they even drive them for this so country people them. Toleti, they say they go hold meeting this afternoon for decide the kind of situation where they go talk now and they will surely talk inside this news today. Talk to for Saturday weekend program country people will tell now about how they don't move Kakuden through a broke Kakuden for people for store for that side from Mbopi back gendarmerie they so country people then we'll entertain now what happen with water rain for that side for Grand Moulin the country people tell now too about road road for this place where they call say and set we'll tell now too about road for place where they call say and set this so country people don't cut into two. They could not to see road for Aquanor and then we'll see about this person where they call and say this policeman where they kill him for place where they call him for that site this one for East region for Betwadi. So Innocent Abeka that inundation Grand Moulin go come after Kas Mbopi contribute Abek after extra cast for Mbopi day. Naso Tori get will be for this one a title that would give for Naso. When I come good country people, they will stop fine. And as we talk for us, to really start for this, we on place for Equinox Television with me as Ekuleku. Make we start with same story for today. And the same story for today, it can't be say weighty country people. Them say if you see Arata run, go enter fire. It means say the follow ye, but pass the fire. Same story for today. If you see Arata run, go enter fire. It means say the follow ye, but pass the fire. We give you the same story country people them na Architect Usman Adum for place where they call and see this one for Afade so supporting come from you Christian Agbacho Wene we send me message say they don't create fan club Equinox for Banyo thank una plenty for that side don't get una message for Equinox TV. We're not to for another talk to go for Makepe Misoke. I said they start the hook up for 5:30 this morning time. Do it the block road 5:30 this morning time. Roadway the come up Makepe Misoke cross bridge go to shoulder side from Makepe Central Pace for the all motor not to know be the past country people deny this. I said the block out in there. There's an angry nothing no go pass. Say nothing no go pass. Over here they said no get latre. Say blow latre no day. Comme say principal la George be dey. Divisional officer to be dey. People they be dey talk about the palaver for that side they country people them. So for this thing so look at. They say they command leaf road they say mbanu. For here we need na latre. Yes. So divisional officer na this scam na for the country for tell them say this may do as they do for this country people them chapter for thing where they call for this city so palaver for say they give them light for that side this want light for that quarter so country people them so tell this so come and flop for the two they come out to shame me and then commissariat this we call say 12th for Bona Msadi they come for this chapter 2 for can talk about the matter and the palaver them for yes say this so now light with the one time I made give them light for that place so country people na Makepe Misoke people then they say they don't be up to that kind long time days them pass weeks then come for the add on top it no get latry for Makepe Misoke they so we all house in and see na so thief put they attack them men put they cut them pocket do can't for them mosquito till one just finish them so that side they say water in the camp first finish the mosquito too then now latry self you know they at all one of 14 say this school they can't start begin to go read book now with wait for this so country we ask them for one person make it tell we wait really be the situation where make them go outside go stand for road to country people na yet way then talk
what happen when I say drink alcohol light for all quarter. Bon, people don't get call life as me got put on quick. Because I know give me play the top of talk. All that way they can make up. If they don't put the light today, like no better no be. Now all the way talk, I know get playing the talk again. Chief quarter for quarter. Now so don't bring your name to the quarter.
Every people, no, so we are there. We don't have line. We need line because Sona don't cut line because they are thief in this quartier. But we need line. Oh, yes, 2 weeks that everybody has done like this. Marie Lumiere is not a thief quartier, but if the thief quartier was there, we can they can see what they can do, because here in this quartier many people are so far. Everything that we need line, because we don't know what we can do now.
Quel que soit ce qui se passe, il est formellement interdit d'occuper la voie publique.
My sister, don't try. Kamtene don't enter number 2 day today for strike. They say they want 57 and 8 months salary, say for the other one. And 1 and 2 they don't drive them for work with no respect them. Send other one for retirement. Contribute. They start yesterday, block all the place. Today they don't go they meet with gendarme, they drive them. They don't stand for day again. He said this matter. What happened for day yesterday? Now it is. They start showing a book where all they don't sign. They carry BB chain, can lock the gate. Hey, is Sila, no man know the answer, no man know the saw. Kamtene is enough here to be the transit company for that said for Port Boy. They say since we have got kwata be die. So no one don't come out come now say this will not this spearhead. When you say the palaver now they don't know what to do. Say for year now so they don't know what to do. So they wait till this so may they give their plenty money the way they owe them, and then they give them better condition for work. Put them for work, don't send them for retirement, drive the other one and country people them. So as they talk about them for years, they say, they don't go take place so they don't go leave them at all. Now you see today, they come back today again, they go see this one now. You see one Mr. Ecole Peters may go. That means they carry on Peter, carry papa on Peter, carry small brother on Peter. Now you can be plural, say Peters. Eh, Martin? So now they said they must go. Go for Usai. Say this will make they pay their money to. Then put them all the things they're supposed to merit them. They put them on send them for forceful retirement. May they bring them back. They 1 and 2 way, they move them for work. Say may they bring them back. Go want to come there yesterday for evening time talk. Say okay, I don't hear. May this morning the one go now that I don't hear the meet on a Kamamburu for day. Which are not flop all place the drive na driver. Maybe say they don't talk now say na caterpillar go can't come out them for day. Say then they can't pay na caterpillar go can't come out them for this so as na get them for with the audience should not see this so better na die man lep he lep man die he die for year. Ask one person may tell we for true una want na wait it cause una trouble una yet when you talk
where we die so this man wait there now it be one day now just work out for company at all how die to die so you come for here no know that's na government say you can be director of your own house. You move for work. You don't move about 22 people work. So no really understand for no really no one say that government saying when I say that you just decide for just come just worry with so no understand. Within about 7 months, no salary. So no understand how we go. And now that's collect. Where at least we get brother sister where they go school pick them. They go school. So no one I said the school this school year and this 7 months. I want time for see what brother sister will they said they go school.
The truth is don't still no hear that voice. Stand by. Okay, we go with Tole country people them. As we go with Tole, at that point they don't go first sleep 2 months for delegates of the delegate office. For that side for labor, for Boya. They give them 9 months deadline to go fix their problem. Then they say this so 9 months don't come pass 3 months out on top now 1 year now. They never get do. The Uko is vex. Not in this. As they made the go she done. They say where do to way. Say that was so far. Divisional officer too for Boya. He don't come there to sing the Mabola. We talk about them for them. He said this issue then contribute them. Don't can stand it. They mammy they say don't block them. Block place for my 16. Block road for Tole. Block road to where you go for that main gate where you go for that side go come for new road we pass go come my 4 Golimbe. So the block can say one money. All that money na school this na the town. The very kind thing where they so can Jean-Michel be talk say when school it comes so all man rentre collect. Say when they give their own money. Say don't suffer plenty tire. They sell company. May they give their own. Maybe you can tell and say now the very people they will not be there. Send them 6 men to go sign book. Now they play their work. Say that time certain day why they never can. Tell una say now so they talk for your own day, una say they talk for that side for Beya country people. Ask person make it tell with you. Wait it be really be una wahala. Wait it be una trouble for this side. Country people. Wait it cause this trouble and so una see so. Una hear way it talk una here.
Government don't promise me since we go for labor office. Go labor office say 9 months. The 9 months don't pass. We can't go for zero that because they are keeping the minister that they keep this money. They go to I'm sure that's where we come to that love this to say give money over all people to go back for school. The end of we don't die. Even now to guess one of the motion for move and go there. No money because of hardship. Actually decide for countries and they go to schools one locker, all of them. We see the motor, we take the motor, we keep on to when we pay before leaving the motor them. Although we suffer.
So now what we don't discuss today?
You don't pay, we say no we go shit down. Any problem we can see the power the table. We don't test all our type, we don't speak it for today. They will not leave our anytime we finish to do until they will pay with the money for don't prevent for that. Alright, or we finish.
So our divisional officer for Boya talk say may they create CIG, let me say Common Initiative Group. So that one now openly talk for the other and say may they join in. How they don't go small school. So that they go join now, fight their trouble, fight their problem. Now way he talk.
We say government get another method where it use them for help people. Mostly we for Tole. Maybe we try to form small group like CIG. If you talk say like me, I get one CIG way already I go with them. So I also beg say where we go, they want them where they know book plenty or they know book small. They try to educate the mommy or the papa in 2 ways, then 2 no book. They try to make them understand what we CIG it mean. Then they try to draw the mommy in 2 skin. They see how way they feel work together for help we and for work with we. So I beg to say as we go back, make some money not get.
Mbopide, back Mbopide. And for back Mbopi way, that place they be put lycée de Mbopi. They never ever build one cement block for day. They be don't appoint principal. The place on turn on a lycée des agences de voyage. Now the travel agency they need for back Mbopi, they plenty pack up like sardine inside Ngongo. And then, as we reach on too, so on road there with the piak enter for hospital. Una call the hospital as una like. Una give any name. But we know in the hospital we carry name for some village to answer. Wait happen me say the agents with for Canada don't move all put them broker where they bring up boys them for community event. Say they don't be store them for road. Now this. Look up. I say any man get small container, small stuff for day. When a calabot on a container, they move all. Restaurant or beignet haricot, they move all. Wonderful thing. As when I get them for day, they cut them. Broker, people that for community event come to them, come and borrow them. Broker, where you see all things, so you must see, even though na mami eru, you be na beignet haricot. Wonderful palaver, they don't broken all. Broken all. See, you want to remove them, they move them. If you meet them, don't check out Oyakako. Oh, if you meet them where they so they don't care and put inside them to go down. Oh, that's what the thing can be. That's why take beef for that side. They place to the corner and say back and Mbopi. So when the brown first put say animal mover, people then say for Cameroon, now we know the fear law where they respect them. You know shake. They don't shake. Now they don't broken all. Broken all for this country people then. We ask one person make it tell we now. Oh, the people they don't broke now for that side now. When they cry, say me do have. They don't be tell una first. Una hear the way they talk una hear.
They don't cancel things, they don't over, we don't scatter things, they will not even know whether we will see all things. So it be somehow, we don't even know the reason why they get to do them because all the things so now from there with the chop and with the pay other things.
So when they make an house, we'll do now high employment. No, they will go back, go down for house. Now at the end of the month, we'll pay house rent and the other things we'll do.
That we should leave the place. That we are blocking the road. When their vehicles want to enter, there is no way for their vehicles to enter. So they inform us. They really did inform us, but we don't. We are really surprised because this is not the road. We don't think why they should come and really block us here. We don't know, see our things outside. We don't even know where to keep them. Our things are outside. Everything, the market things that we bought, they are outside. We don't know. We don't know. And for us, in short, we lack weight. We lack. The government really have to see it. We are not in the. When we started here, why did they not tell us that we are not supposed to build here? Just see. It's not normal.
See. Yeah. The reality wa wamu unasia na that road for Ndogbon. Ndogbon de so enset campus. Over one mo. But our government delegate and the people in the year. How my fortune in the year. It happened yesterday. Like this. Look at. And set. Look at Ministry for that's why people they pay money. Don't pay 1 year for house rent. 27 rooms for Ministry story building. The world already for show say this, so the collapse they go towards the school, the building too. Look at. I said don't cut quarter. The thing deep safe pass well. Where show say this so for here. Look at. Cut all. Roads don't cut. Cut. We don't face one for una tell una say this thing the camo. Danger the camo. When I say, est-ce que Masatoton a prophet? You know a prophet because you never hear lock your own church. Okay. But when you see that way they happen, the tell that way they be. The partner talk, say don't talk without picking them, they come up for inside their rooms there for hostel. You be take 1 year for renters, you don't give them back. Now the question that pass, you don't quite tell they ask that question, you don't quite. Hey, you don't quite. But this is contributing. You see? So that explain so all things on the broke for that side. They broke for this whole country. People, they broke for that side, they wonderful. For the come now. Back for now only 1 week today will be shown now. How if you don't broke, so they go show quarter to finish. If you don't go show quarter to, they may let say they know here. And this. People have seen the past that time. But they don't put that ban under the security will talk danger day. Come on and say, if you never see, you don't believe. They did like Thomas for the Bible way. If they don't see him, they don't believe. Governor too, made us say, it cannot see the overturn nonsense. Now that for them. Now to say any place broke small hole, they put a start go to a dot inside, don't turn dustbin. But if they broke, so they go small. Now we don't last scatter. I don't last scatter. So see, one show last week with this small road BCD. Put it the pass today. But the pass will turn the spy the hole. They say, Master, on there, if you want to pass anything, you carry me slicing tackle. If you carry you slicing tackle for this, so contributing. Look at, I think what happened. But anyhow, that's what you take B. For that side place, you say, Ndogbon, quarter this. You see hole. Imagine. Wonderful palaver. Oh, wait, drunk, a man don't drink mulu, carry your place so. He go up put the food. Food go enter chunkum. Let's say, don't for a chunkum, in selling the water. Eh? Master. So what I want today, since last week, but now weekend will rainfall. Motor they go now 1, 2, 3. Even I say motor make running test, running competition with tortoise. Tortoise go reach drink water, rest. For motor one car. Aqua no. Thank God to never deny me Benz cannot enter today. I don't know as some people that for here they would do where they go can't walk. Look at they won't put them now for this. Aqua no say Boulevard Tone. Because they village. The other place where they enter from road to his own compound, they don't put tax to put pave for them. Look the main road where they go Bram Sadi. Now people don't deserve to say to circle another Boulevard Tone. Yes, for that matter so. Taxi man the year back, he said, all shock them for motor, they remain for them. See, I'm going to hide their face. They want hide the face. Because don't take taxi money for a guy. You want pay at base skin for economize. Enter Okada. You know we no see camera go show you. You know we no see camera go show you. When I see the ground and so we don't put the ground on. No? They don't carry ground, put and so. Now they go need to carry the ground there, contribute there. Now wait till up with that ground. When I know what you do up with that ground, as we tell us so, contribute them. This morning time, people they from Toronto don't go carry that ground, cover other hole in there. But they focus on the ground, and when ground enter inside water, because you want cover and so make the water dry. Ground don't enter inside water, you don't turn a poto. I promise you now. Tomorrow, I swear. You don't turn a poto side by side now. So you know when I road for Komot Kumbago Ekondo Titi, that one's you don't fix her. Road for go Yabasi. Okay. Now, people that were toxic, don't kill chief of police post for boundary for Cameroon and Central Africa. Why would they show a photo? Why would they show a picking they cry? The picking they cry for nothing. When I want to see that body, no, like this. Look at Commissioner Central for baby today, all man cry. They don't bring the cops. Look at either they put an half for motor to go Yaoundé. Officier de police principal Félix Dale Ngando. There's a very select rebels and they be the drink mulu. Then they will shoot 36 bullets for his skin. The arrose one time transim. For his skin. If they shoot na one, the photos na erreur de cible. It's a mistake. If they shoot na 2, 3, they say okay, it be vexed. But 36 bullets. They wash and so. Never the terminal say, "Una few and so way." There be either been a palava for sabdo or na palava soya. Because I two the key man picking. Now I two the key man picking. But anyway, more leave them. Police will open enquete. That they go tell we for this matter so country people. And then go tell we as I get to talk about them. And it won't be so way. Michel Joko that people don't talk say. They don't catch that people the way they kill the policeman. They will hand them for Cameroon government. Make Cameroon government do it to make it chop the empty man. How now catch people from a territory we don't kill for una gear now for foreign land. Now the place where they be shooting the dreams now here nothing happen. Now for that, waiting happen too. See the way the boundary for two countries first be, oh boy. Where? So it go take Bihar for that place. It go take Bihar for the place this whole country. Now the small one they will be getting phone now for today. Service social for a big and never work today. They lock. But this number one I see and so the number way anything that happen for a quarter, for a village, for a town. My people now look the number call. I don't know. Now do what that differences between CPDM and SDF. As from next week we will enter inside by the trunk. I tell you now. Thank you na plenty. Thank you, bless Steph, and the other one and two. HTC, we could be over them country people. Thank and think I know Gala Ideke Tankumbadi. Thank you to this my class, this will look let's take for chan. Anyone who will help you for this edition. Pastor Simon Echi, the other side. Think that side. Alain Zingi AZ, Mitimi, I say for 6 o'clock this evening on CPG News for internet. Matilda Kemazu from Mabanda Kumba don't come back. And also a beggar doctor, HUDD. Country people, if you see my back, now you see my belly for front. Bye-bye.